So you probably heard that statistic that 95% of the day traders lose their money. And you probably seen a bunch of people online showing off their day trading games and luxury lifestyle. You must have heard from many influencers that quit your job and become a day trader, then you will easily make 6 figures a year. You can make profit and you can become a multi-millionaire by day trading. But more than 90% of the day traders fail and get into debt and their life becomes hell. Why? Why 95% day traders lose money in the stock market? What is day trading and why it is too risky? And day trading is gambling or not? This is the dark reality of one of the most risky business in the world, day trading.
Everybody knows this statistic. 95% of new traders blow their first account. Of that, 90% continue to fail until they completely just give up on day trading.
So why is day trading, making money online with stocks or really Forex or futures or anything so hard? I mean, if you've ever seen the statistics, then, I mean, they're varying across the board, but at the core, they all suggest that you're going to fail. I mean, some people will say it's 90% failure rate. Other people will say, no, it's actually 95% failure rate.
So what is day trading? Let me explain to you. So day trading is like playing the stock market on fast forward. Instead of buying stocks and holding into them for a long time, day traders buy and sell stocks or other financial assets quickly, sometimes within just a few minutes or hours. They try to make money by betting on small price changes throughout the day. Let's say you have invested your money in the stock market for a short period of time. You buy, then if you see the stock price goes up and you see green, that means you are making money. But if the price goes down, you get red appears, it means you are losing your money. Here are some main reasons of why 95% day traders lose their money. Lack of knowledge. So you saw the lifestyle of some day traders, that they are earning millions of dollars by trading and they have luxury cars and houses and so on. Then you think that you can also do the same, or you go into the stock market to earn money. And unfortunately, you lose your money without any knowledge. It's like trying to play a game without knowing the rules or strategies. Day trading requires understanding complex stuffs like how market works and how to analyze charts. Imagine if winning or losing money made you feel really excited or really scared. That can happen with day trading, and it can make people make bad decisions. Then they end up losing money. So emotional control is very important as a day trader. Lack of discipline and trading against the trend. Most of the traders don't have any discipline and they don't make strategy and plans for trading. There are so many opportunities available in the market. So you will definitely need discipline to make advantage of them. Stay aware of the news affecting the market, economy, geopolitics and so on. Know the market trend and don't trade against the trend. These are some common mistakes that day traders do and they fail. Trend is your friend. You see many traders place orders that go against the prevailing market trend in an attempt to outsmart the market. This strategy can sometimes pay off, but more often than not, it results in losses. And a lot of people says day trading is gambling, and let's see this is true or not. So day trading is a short-term investment, a strategy that involves buying and selling a stock on the same day within a short time period. While it's not exactly the same as gambling. Of course, day trading does have some similarities to gambling, including speculative bets, unpredictable outcomes, big risks and losses, and short-term focus. Overall, if you do not have much knowledge about trading, then day trading would be gambling for you, because you would depend on luck, not on strategy or plan. So learn as much as you can from the traders who are already successful. But there are some fake influencers on the internet who made their money by selling online courses, by showing their fake trading data and fake lifestyle, so stay away from them. And by the way, if you are looking for some amazing t-shirts and watches, then check out my shop, link is in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. I will see you in the next video.